guys, this is Valentina JD. Yeah, that one if you are not clear. Anyway, we are doing a skincare routine today. Everyone has been herping around vitamin C so much that I decided to try a whole kit of vitamin C. We went with Wow Science. It is a skincare range. They have a whole lot of products, but we went with, of course, the vitamin C range. They have four products in there. I always research a lot about the brand that I'm using and I stock them. So we insta stocked the brand and found out it is made in India. There are no paraben, no sulfates, no mineral oils in their products, which is our first green flag. Description of the kit is pretty long. It goes on and on and on and on, but we read every single word and found out vitamin C cleanses, purifies, refreshes, blah 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 blah. I'll explain you in a much simpler way what vitamin C does to the skin, okay? It's about two things. First is collagen. Collagen is a protein that helps you build your skin, and vitamin C promotes that protein. So you get new skin every day. Second is melanin. Melanin is what makes your skin darker. So vitamin C balances that and gives you brighter skin. First step of any skincare routine is always face wash. You cleanse your skin. Their face wash is not traditional gel in a tube. It is a foaming face wash. You pump it and foam comes out directly. Not applying the face wash with my hands. I'm not using my hands, applying it directly. You all saw the foam coming out. That's good, right? Another catch is that it comes with an inbuilt silicone brush, which has little flexible bristles that will help you clean your pores and work your face wash in a better way. That's amazing. Skincare is always unisex. A man can use it, a woman can use it, but if you wear makeup, especially for me, I wear brow makeup a lot, and this brush helps me clean my brows and hairline where makeup tends to stay a lot of times. After rinsing and drying, we come to step number two, which is toner. Toner is food for skin. It helps you feed your skin with proper nutrition, right? Never ever skip it. This one comes in a spray bottle, so I just have to spray it everywhere on my neck, on my whole face, my ears, everything is covered. I don't have to use those annoying cotton pads, which makes my life so much easier. I let it dry and jump on to step number three, which is serum. Every product in here smells like a fresh orange juice, especially the face wash. It is so refreshing. Anyway, back to the serum. Serum is supposed to give you glow and hydration. This will make your skin shine. Correct way to apply your serum is rub it in your hand and press it in deeply in your skin. Press it firmly in your skin. This is the correct way to apply a serum. Do not rub it. Do not do the circular motions. And by the way, if you're wondering, no, the serum is not greasy. It is gel-like. It will feel a little sticky, but give it some time. Your skin is going to eat it up. We are on last step of the routine. Fourth product is vitamin C face cream. Every drop of this cream is untouched until you pump it out and use some. Now that's some next level hygiene, man. I really think that design of the products is commendable because toner is in spray, serum is in pump, and there's this foaming face wash and the cream. Everything is like innovation meets luxury. It's really comfortable. You put all the good things in your skin, right? We did put in toner, we did put in serum. To lock all the goodness, we apply face cream. Face cream will make sure that all the toner and serum stays in there and works for your skin. So the effects are long lasting. And good face creams are always matte and they absorb really fast. And of course, with the last step, we are wrapping up the routine, ready to see the results. Here is a tip for you. Never ever judge a skincare item or a makeup item right after applying it. Give it some time, give it like 30 to 40 minutes, and then you'll see if it's working for you or not. Here is my face after 30 minutes. I can see there is no grease. My face is matte, it is soft, smooth, there is elasticity in my skin. There is no grease on the nose as well, which is amazing. So I think this kit worked for me. And my skin absolutely feels new, fresh, and bright as promised. I checked for you, the whole kit retails for 1800 rupees only. It is so affordable and amazing that it's currently sold out. The reviews are pretty good as well. Every review is a 4 star or a 5 star. Here is a company background. It is a woman owned company which is eco friendly, cruelty free, uses natural ingredients, which, by the way, I checked. They use ingredients like coconut oil, coconut milk, apple cider vinegar, green tea, charcoal, aloe vera, vitamin C, blueberries, strawberries, castor oil, mango, amla, upton, and much more. You can find them on Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Nykaa, Purple, Big Basket, Health and Glow, Paytm, and other apps and websites. Please like, subscribe, and share so I can pay my bills. Thank you so much for watching. Lots of love.